Hi everyone, in today's video, we're diving into advanced prompt writing for HailuoAI to help you get the most out of this powerful tool. Whether you're creating a cinematic videos, realistic animation, or stylized art, writing precise and detailed prompts is the key to achieving your desired result. Let's get started. Before we go advanced, let's review the basic structure of a good prompt for high-low. You need to put the scene description, what's happening in the video, the character's objectives, who or what is in the scene, the environment, where is the scene taking place, and the mood and emotion, what is the tone or feeling of the scene. For example, let's use a sunset over a calm beach, a couple walking hand in hand, warm golden tones, peaceful atmosphere. You need to be specific with details. Advanced prompts require a higher level of specificity. The more detail you provide, the more tailored and accurate your video will be. Let's break it down into categories. Next, you need to add a unique artistic styles. To achieve a specific visual style, be sure to include terms that describe the look you want, whether it's realistic, artistic, anime style, or cinematic. And then, you need to experiment with camera angles and movements. To make your prompts even more dynamic, add camera movements or angles. Think about how you want the scene presented visually, like a stationary shot of a large mountain range with a cloud slowly moving across the sky, captured in soft golden hour lighting. And then you need to utilize the emotion and action. To enhance the depth of your prompt, include emotion and movement in your description. These details that can help you create more immersive and expressive scenes, like a young boy staring out the window and look quiet longing on his face with raindrops trickling down the glass. And lastly, you need to use environmental and background details. The background can add a lot of depth to your scene, whether it's bustling city, streets, serene forest, or futuristic landscape. Adding more environmental details can make a huge difference. So, you can also incorporate audio and visual elements. For some types of prompts, adding sounds or visual cues can improve the immersive experience. And don't be afraid to experiment. Try different combinations of description, styles, and angle cameras. If something doesn't turn out exactly as you imagined, refine your prompt and try again. And that's it. You're now ready to write advanced prompts for high-low AI and create amazing cinematic videos, animations, and more. The key is to be detailed, specific as possible, and with a bit of practice, you'll master the art of prompting in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching!